I think compared to 2020, 2021, we really haven't seen sort of like a craziness, crypto fever
Not a
kind of
pervasive.
gripping.
Bitcoin has finally broken the $100,000 mark for the first time in history, making headlines worldwide. But while this milestone is monumental, the real excitement lies elsewhere. Altcoins, which have remained largely dormant, are now starting to show signs of life. If you're trying to make the most money in the crypto market, altcoin season is the period you need to focus on. However, it's critical to understand when and how this season typically unfolds to maximize your gains. Historically, altcoin season has been short but immensely profitable. To understand this phenomenon, let's explore the flow of money in the crypto market cycle. When Bitcoin dominates, its price rises significantly as it absorbs the bulk of investor attention. This is what we've seen over the past year, largely fueled by institutional adoption and Bitcoin ETFs. But here's where it gets interesting. After Bitcoin's price stabilizes at higher levels, a psychological shift occurs among investors. They start realizing that Bitcoin's returns may not be as explosive anymore. This is when the focus shifts to other assets, Ethereum, large-cap altcoins, and eventually smaller projects with higher risk but also higher potential rewards. Now, why does this matter? Because this flow of money directly impacts your strategy. Understanding this pattern allows you to anticipate the market's next move, positioning yourself to make gains as money rotates out of Bitcoin and into altcoins. If we examine previous cycles, one thing becomes clear: timing is everything. For instance, during the bear market of 2018 leading into the bull market of 2021, Bitcoin dominance increased steadily for years. Altcoin season, however, didn't occur gradually. It exploded over the course of just 4 months. This compressed time frame means you have to act decisively when the opportunity arises. Let's talk about the signs of altcoin season. One of the most critical metrics is Bitcoin dominance, which currently remains high. For altcoin season to truly begin, Bitcoin dominance needs to decline as capital flows into other assets. At the same time, we need to see rising trading volumes and increased interest in altcoins. Altcoin season indicators. A key factor in determining when altcoin season begins is identifying when Bitcoin reaches its price peak. If you believe Bitcoin's top will be between $100,000 and $120,000, then we could be on the cusp of altcoin season. But this isn't just about Bitcoin's price. It's about sentiment. Sentiment shifts when investors start feeling a wealth effect. They've made gains in Bitcoin and now want to diversify into assets with potentially higher returns. This is where altcoins come into play. First, money flows into Ethereum and large-cap coins like Solana and SUI. Then, it trickles down to mid-cap and small-cap projects. It's worth noting that this cycle appears slightly different. Ethereum, which has historically led the altcoin charge, has been somewhat overshadowed by other projects this time. Solana, for instance, has emerged as a frontrunner, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum in recent weeks. Historical context: what past cycles teach us? If we go back to previous bull cycles, the data tells a consistent story. Bitcoin leads the market, and its dominance grows during the early stages of a rally. Once Bitcoin reaches its peak, altcoins begin to surge. In the 2018 to 2021 cycle, altcoin season didn't start until Bitcoin dominance had been steadily rising for years. But when it did, the gains were extraordinary. Projects with solid fundamentals saw exponential growth in just a few months. This is why patience and preparation are essential. The most significant returns are often made in a very short window, and missing that window could mean missing out on life-changing opportunities. Why altcoins could outperform. Now, let's shift focus to the fundamentals driving altcoin growth. While Bitcoin's institutional adoption is a significant driver of this cycle, altcoins have their own set of compelling factors. Ethereum Layer 2 solutions. The Ethereum ecosystem is experiencing massive growth, particularly with Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism. These projects are seeing a surge in active addresses and usage, indicating strong adoption. Solana's momentum. Solana has established itself as a leading altcoin, consistently outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. With its innovative technology and growing ecosystem, it's attracting both retail and institutional investors. Fundamental growth metrics. Beyond price, Metrics like trading volume, active addresses, and developer activity are critical. Projects showing strong fundamental growth are likely to outperform in the long term. Timing your entries. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is buying altcoins during altcoin season. By then, prices are already high, and the risk-reward ratio is less favorable. Instead, the ideal time to buy altcoins is at the end of Bitcoin's rally when their prices are still relatively low. Currently, the altcoin season index is at 43, indicating that we are still in Bitcoin season. This means it's an excellent time to accumulate altcoins before the market enters the next phase of the cycle. Risks and strategy. While the potential for gains is enormous, it's essential to approach the crypto market with caution. Prices are volatile, and investing in altcoins carries significant risk. Never invest money you're not prepared to lose, and always conduct thorough research before making any decisions. To mitigate risks, consider diversifying your portfolio and focusing on projects with strong fundamentals. Additionally, avoid emotional decision-making and stick to a well-defined strategy. The crypto market is at a pivotal moment. With Bitcoin breaking $100,000 and altcoins showing early signs of life, the opportunities are immense. However, success requires a clear understanding of the market cycle and a disciplined approach to investing. If you found this analysis helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Be Crypto Smart. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and insights needed to navigate the crypto world effectively. Let me know in the comments. Are you preparing for altcoin season? What's your strategy for the coming months? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, the crypto market is fast-moving, and the best opportunities often come when you least expect them. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.